Hello everyone, it's Zexo here. In this training tutorial, we are going to learn some jumping, spinning, outside kick. So we have learned how to jump properly and kick properly before we can try with the kicking pad. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to jump higher and kick higher with this awesome jumping, spinning, outside kick. Let us enjoy some demonstration first. Let us start with the kick first. So in this jumping movement, we are using outside slap kick. So when we are kicking, we kick with your right leg and our hands slap our right foot. If you cannot slap your foot yet, you can try to slap your knee or further. So now let us practice more. Left leg step forward, open your wings. Left leg step on. Again, slowly. Okay, let's do it a bit faster. And then let us move on to the, next let us combine the spinning together. So once you've done the kick, do slowly, and then put your left hand above your right hand. Spin to the right, to your right hand side, okay? So we do slowly, kick, and turn. One circle. So the reason you put your hand together is to keep your balance. Otherwise, you lost your balance. Alright? Let us practice together. We do slowly first. Spin. Spin. A bit faster. A bit faster. Let's practice more. Okay, next, let us practice some jump together. So with the jumping, spinning, outside kick, I face to you guys. You put your left leg out front as ready action. You hook with your left arm, right hand push like this. This is ready action. But for beginners, put our arms down like this. Alright? So we are going to take 3 steps from here. So 3 steps. Left leg out as ready action. Right leg step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay? So you cannot go straight forward. You have to go like a curve, like a semicircle. The reason we are doing the semicircle curve is to help us to do the spinning. Okay? So lay down, if you combine the kick together, you can just cone it. Now let us practice more. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Right leg bend. And this will give you height. You jump up. So jump up. See? Jump. Alright, let us practice together. Slowly. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Alright. Practice more. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Okay. Let us do a bit faster. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3. Jump, and this leg kick in as inside kick like this. Okay? See? So this will give you spinning. Right leg give you height. Left leg give you speed and spinning. So together, cone it. Now let us practice together. One, two. See? Try again. Slowly first. 1, 2, 3. Right leg jump, give you height. Left leg kick it in, give you speed. Alright, let's practice a bit faster. Now let us start jumping, spinning, outside kick, level 1 to level 3 training. Just a friendly reminder, with the levels, please just do the level that suits you and do not push yourself too much to get injured. Okay, let us quickly go through with the levels together. Level 1 is you're gonna land on your left foot first. See, you land on your left foot first. This is level 1. Level 2, you're gonna land on your 2 feet. See? Level 2. And level 3, you're going to land on your right foot. See? Land on your right foot. This is level 3. Okay, now let us practice level 1 together. We do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, jump. Kick. See, land on your left foot first. This is level 1. Let's practice more. Let's kick a bit faster. Okay, now let us do level 2 training. We have jump higher, kick faster, and try to land on 2 feet. Okay, so with the level 3 a bit challenge, you have to kick with your left leg and hold your left leg in the air. Do not put your left leg down, just hold it in the air and kick with the other leg, your right leg. It's like a thin split in the air and then turn, spinning around. You can land on 2 feet first and then you're getting better and try to land on your right foot. Okay, let's practice together. So level 3, I have to take more steps. Okay, everyone, remember, practice makes better and perfect. Happy training, happy life.